This is the Delta-Light. Yeah.
Bedroom one, the shelf alignment, the top shelf has to be aligned, but the bottom shelf needs to be the way it was like the other one. No, it's not true because you guys show me cheap stuff, then I have to go find the expensive stuff. We cannot go fix filler and put the hinge on the fixed filler. Can you have one of your guys do a shop drawing for this? Based on this? Yeah, that will confirm, but for me, the minimum, the better. We have to add thickness here. Okay, is here? Yeah. Cool. Ready?
Not yet. We're waiting for it.
And it needs to be all aligned. Yeah. Exactly. Extra all around, but should be thin, you know, not too much. Just to have the same finish. Okay. And this is only the pattern they have available. And this is ordered. Let's say if I order this, next week if it will come before August or no. Okay. Thank you so much. You still need to make sure that the inside is straight. I don't care that this is straight, it's covering. We need to, can we double check everything?
Yeah,
because later it will be a problem. You know what I mean? So you need to take this and make sure everywhere that it fits correctly. Can I count on you? Let's do that. Okay, thank you. Yes. Sorry, my brain doesn't function anymore. That's it. I'm dying. This is the end of my mind. Babu, you will fix this, right?
Yes, it's realigned now.
And I think once we put this, next week let's remove the... Because when did we agree to do that?
This one Monday to do this one.
Okay.
This inside way.
Yeah, because I need to be here. Dinesh, I need them to fix this and I need to see what they're doing. I need the client to see it. Because even yesterday, Paulina was telling me maybe at night it will not look that clear. I'm wondering, I think I'm going to take the risk to invert it because I think it's better. Basically, you know, we saw it in Paulina's office here, the client. Because there is very dim, we didn't realize how much mirror effect it was because we're in front of the sea here. It's very blue. So the purpose was like, you know, like unless you open the light and unless the, I don't know if the client can, the other side is super nice. So I was thinking to revert that.